camera and she's gonna give me a little bit of...
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just outside here. That's my sister, as you can see. Okay, that's how cloudy the day is. So I'm just chilling outside on the rooftop. This is a video. That's my sister's phone and it's already raining.
It's my birthday.
Okay, so I've just come outside here. I've not been outside for some time now, and look at how the clouds are. Let me just zoom in. It's so cloudy and it's already drizzling right now. I'm on the rooftop of where I stay. So those are the clouds. And I bet it's gonna rain heavy today. I don't even want to say, look at those clouds. Look at those clouds. The weather has really changed. I don't know if this is the month where it normally rains. Oh, this is nice. That is nice. This is a video. That's my sister's phone and it's already raining.
It's my birthday.
Okay, this is how the clouds look like today. It's so cloudy. It's so cloudy. It's so cloudy today. Just gonna move. Just gonna move. And it's kind of drizzling for now. This is the weather in Nairobi. So I've been indoors the whole, like for 2 weeks now. I've been indoors. I've not come out for anything. It's so cloudy. It's so cloudy. It has just rained and it's still kind of drizzling. So this is how the rooftop of where I stay looks like. I like the fact that this place is always clean. It's always clean. It's always washed properly. Here is one of the tanks that brings water. There are a little bit of dirt, but you can understand. Kids have been playing around, and this is the second tank. I don't want to show people's clothes out here, but this is just how this rooftop looks like. This is how the rooftop looks like, and it's clean. This is another tank. Someone's duvet is there, and a few clothes which have been rained on. Yeah, that's one of the houses, and these are the tanks. And this place is really nice. Kids can come and play out here without worrying of any accidents. This is how the place looks like. Like, parents do not have to worry about any accidents when their kids are playing out here. It's really taken good care of. And this kind of landlord was a bit considerate, because when you build, you need to have somewhere, you need to ensure there is a lot of safety even for kids to just come and play without worrying of getting into any accidents. And it has water, as you can see, a little bit of water, and it's big. It's a big space. It's a big space, and I like that cat thingy out there. Yes, yes, yes.